Shreeja. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to thrift flip this pair of jeans. So I'm not actually a fan of this jeans because the fit is very weird and it is not flattering at all. So I'm going to turn this jeans into a two-piece dress because I absolutely love co-ord outfits, and besides that, all denim look is to die for. So yeah, and I don't really have a sewing machine. Like, I had a sewing machine but I sort of broke it. So I'm gonna do this DIY with fabric glue and hand sewing techniques. So yeah, I'm super excited for it. And besides, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. And without any further ado, let's get started. All you're going to need for this DIY is a pair of super stretchy jeans, some scissors and some fabric glue. So I'm going to start by marking the length of the skirt. I've taken 16 inches as my length. Next, folding the pant in half, I'm going to cut along the marking. Then I'm going to cut along the inseam in the front and the back. After that, taking the bottom part of the jeans, I'm going to cut a small section and divide it into two rectangle pieces. Next, I'm going to apply some fabric glue on the seams which are cut open, and then place the small denim patch under the inseam and just stick it away. Make sure you allow it to dry completely, and while it's drying, put pressure on it. So what I like to do is, after it is like 80% dry, I just iron the whole piece so the folds are proper and the glue, like, it has more pressure and it stays on longer. I'm repeating the same step on the back as well, and finally I'm going to shape it even. So our skirt is ready and it looks pretty good. Like, I've done a DIY skirt before, so I was pretty sure about this. Now moving on to the top, which is the tricky part. And before we dive into making the top, I just want to say that this top is a proper jugaad idea. So if you're looking for technical ways to actually make the top, this top is going to probably disturb your piece. So because me being a fashion student, I know this is all kinds of wrong when it comes to pattern making, but the top actually fits me well, so that is what I'm looking forward to. Moving on, for the top, I've taken the bottom section of the pant and I'm gonna cut open them. Now that we have two pieces like so, I'm gonna mark the length of the top. So I've taken 11 inches of length and then I'm gonna cut it off. Now that we have three parts, so the first two parts are the bottom pieces that we cut open, and the third piece is the remaining fabric after cutting off our length for the top. Next, I'm going to stick all three of them together from the edge. And to even out and align the whole thing properly, I'm just going to make a straight line on the top part and then shaping it so we have a slightly curved top hem. After ironing and folding the hem, I'm just going to stick it with glue. So we have a nice and clean top hem. Now I'm going to repeat the same hem shaping process on the bottom as well. But after marking everything, I'm going to cut along the marked line and then fold it and stick. If I'd folded the piece straight away without cutting it off, then the bottom part would be super bulky and it would look weird. So I just cut it off and folded by 1/4 of an inch. I'm just going to mark the line as to where I have to close off the top according to my measurements, and then I'm just going to hand sew the closing. Now we have this tube top. So like I said, the jeans were super stretchy, and that is the whole reason that this top is going to fit me. Otherwise, if the jeans was not as stretchy as this one, then I would have definitely needed to add like a zipper or a button-up opening at the back or at the front, whatever was suiting me. And I would have definitely needed to add some darts to make it fit more better. But since the jeans is super stretchy, as you can see, it just fits me like a glove and I don't really have any issues with the fitting. So I actually went ahead and made these two straps for the top, but I'm not going to attach them because the top looks cute as it is. Like, it is just so chic and super cute.
And this is the final result. I love how this turned out to be. Like, the top is fitting very well and the skirt is looking good as well. I honestly cannot wait to go out wearing this, or maybe just go out in general.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And tell me in the comment section below if you like these thrift flip videos or not, because I absolutely love doing them. And I will see you all in my next video.